Boy, we've come a long way. You know, in the old days, there were no lights, no heat, no creature comforts. Just creatures. Everyone comfy?
No, sir. No.
Nowadays, you just plug everything into your car. You got lights, heat.
We are out of pesto.
I'll make a run. Hey, everybody comfy?
No.
Not at all.
Okie doke. Your journey at its most evolved. The fully electric Hyundai ioniq5 now with two-way charging. You know, we humans have come a long way on our journey. Our first language wasn't exactly, a language. Medium well, thank you. Our first vehicles weren't the fastest.
Can you,
Faster. Hey, boys, punch it! Our first maps weren't that accurate. And you know, fellas, the world is actually, you have a ball. Our first phones weren't smart. Text mom winky face emoji. Our first screens, you couldn't touch.
Mom, Dad's feeling the TV.
No one likes a snitch, son.
And the first electric vehicles weren't, let's just say, they look nothing like the first ever ioniq5. I mean, two-way charging, AR heads-up display, 300-mile range. What can't this thing do? Look, the point is, it's been a long, yeah, good point, really long journey. But worth it. Your journey at its most evolved. The fully electric Hyundai ioniq5.
Nathan Drake.
Not again.
Treasure hunting. Dirty business.
Yes, very.
This is broken.
it's not broken.
It's broken.
No, that's how it works.
Mr. Drake, car's ready.
Thanks. See ya.
Introducing Nathan Drake and the adventure-ready Tucson.
Have you ever wondered if there's a limit to our imagination? As humans, we've always been on the move. With robotics technology, we open a new era of human advancement, where mobility defies imagination, where technology helps us overcome limitations, where the virtual and physical merge into one in the new era of meta-mobility. With robotics, we strive to expand human reach. We never limit what we challenge. We challenge our limits. Expanding human reach.
If you're living on borrowed time, do you have to return it?
Question everything. We did. The all-new Hyundai Tucson. Marvel Studios' Loki. Original series now streaming.
If time and reality are a construct, what if we could rebuild it?
Question everything. We did. The all-new Hyundai Tucson. Marvel Studios' What If? Original series now streaming.
Niños, buñuelos.
Gracias.
Linda.